Mahlzeit means lunchtime in German. Mahlzeit. And I was just passing my way to Kroger to get my weekly grocery shopping list done, and I thought I'm gonna stop by at Subways and try one of their subs. And first thing, I don't know if it's everywhere a Subway, but they were this. I think it's run by an Indian family. Exceptional, friendly, and I show you a little clip because I did my phone in my pocket, and if it works, I don't know yet. I will see later when I cut the video, when I put the video together. But he made my sub with love. I mean, so much love and very, I mean, slow and thorough, and so much love into that sandwich, in the in that Submarine, in that 1 foot. Let's see, and it smells fantastic. It smells fantastic. I mean, if you around in Laverne, Tennessee, on Murfreesboro Road, next to Checkers, crazy good food. I need to try the 2 American cheeseburgers on 10 for 10 American cheeseburgers. Checkers 10 for $10 American cheeseburgers. I need to try that. But it's next to this Checkers. Subway. Go in. Your sub will be made with love. Love. And he put so much stuff on it, it's already falling apart. Look at this. That's half. I have the chicken barbecue. Chicken barbecue. Do you see that? Chicken barbecue. That's so much, and he put so much chicken on. Holy macaroni. And whole wheat, of course. Ay. Oh. Oi. So I have the chicken. Oh. I have the chicken. I put cucumber on because I could put anything on I wanted, he said. So I put cucumber on, tomatoes, lettuce, black olives, onions, and a barbecue sauce. And it's incredible. Oh. Oh, was it? I wanted to escape again. And I had provolone cheese. I forgot the cheese. Provolone cheese. Lunchtime. No one at drive-through. People, if you're in Laverne or near Laverne, near the Kroger or what is it, or the Checker, I said, help them out, get some subs. If not, if you're not in Laverne, but somewhere else, go to your Subway, support them. Maybe they are run by Indian family too, but this one, I mean, wow, that blew me away. So much love into my sandwich. I mean, look at the chicken. Look, do you see the amount of chicken? It would be sad if that really, it's the franchisee. Is it franchisee? The one who has the franchise license, that Indian family, would have to close because they don't have any customers. They don't make any money. But they make good sandwich. Probably no one knows that they make good sandwiches. Submarines. And they don't get any customers. It's really sad. $11. Again, $11. Guys, you can't complain about it. $11. Oh. Man, go to your local Subway and get a sandwich. Oh, there's one. One is coming. You see them? One is doing a drive-through. Rumme. Oh. He's going to check us. 10 burgers for $10. Drive-through. Do you know what a drive-through is called in German? It's a drive-in. It's not drive-through, you drive in. That barbecue sauce. It's a little bit of spicy flavor in it. A little bit. We have footlong sandwich, Submarine. For $11, including tax in my state. And the tax here is 9.75%. Might be cheaper in some other states. Even cheaper. If you have 2 children, you can feed each children with $5.50. And I bet they won't they can finish that sandwich. Hey. Oh, men and women. That's fantastic. Fantastic. That's top notch, I would say. Hi. Hi. Oh. No? No, you don't see it. One drive-through customer. It's really sad. It's really sad to see so many empty restaurants. Don't people just go out anymore eating or I mean, they say economy is good, so people earn good and make good money. They don't just go out anymore. It's really sad. Another one. Another one. Oh. What's this? It's a finger food. Oh. Oh, okay. You see that amount of chicken. There's so much chicken. I love the States. The United States, a fantastic country. Really fantastic. It's a very good decision. After finding my father, 25 years, searching for 25 years, and after finding him, my first best decision, my second best decision was moving to the States. The land of food. I really don't think that any other country has so many different food options as the United States has. I don't think so. No, one is leaving. And then you really have to get, maybe, if you would eat at a restaurant every day, another restaurant, I think you have to live 500 years to get through all the restaurants in the United States. What is it? No, I don't think it's 300. Let's say 360. You can make 360 a year. 360 a year. 360. 170. Yeah, could. Yeah. Yep. Could be 500. You have to live 500 years. I wish I could live 500 years. Oh. Wow. Barbecue. Anyway, I hope not. Oh, okay. That was enough for me. That was a very good size. No, Subway. No, Submarine. Subway. Very good. I'm full. And I can eat a lot. Alrighty. A little bit noise. Be careful. Eat something today. Will be Subway. $11. You can't get wrong with that. Stay healthy, safe. See you next time.